Okay, the bolts are off, so I believe I can take off a pad now caliper quite easy. It might be a little bit more difficult because I'm taking off a pad in the same time trying to record it. Yeah, well, as you can see probably now, there is nothing left on that pads, so like I said, that's a perfect example how your brake pads not supposed to look like. And yeah, it's the right time to change them. And obviously if your pads start making a weird noise, you can hear that metal is rubbing a metal, try not to use your brake and change them as soon as possible, because simply you can damage your brake disc. So yeah, just make sure you change your pads at that point as soon as possible. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray a little bit of warm water with some washing liquid, just to try to take off dirt around here, because I'll be pushing this back. I'm not gonna take off pads just yet. It's because they will help me to put these things back to the right place. So yeah, first I'm gonna give it a little bit of clean, and then I'm gonna come back to you, show it how it looked like.